Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the unboxing, installation, power supply requirements, primary checks, warranty guidelines, and service procedures for the STP pump. Sewage pumps are essential for moving wastewater that contains semi-solid waste from homes, hotel restaurants, and industrial sites or septic systems. Choosing the right pump is essential to avoid unnecessary failures. Right pump to choose depends on the factors like flow rate, capacity, and type of the water being to be handled. In this important note, the STP pump is designed for handling semi-solid liquids, sewage, and wastewater. It is not at all suitable for raw solid rocks, chemical substance, ceramic powders, or mud or cloths. It cannot be used in those such applications. If you need a pump to handle cloth, plastics, or vegetable wastes, we have another series like sewage cutter pump. You can use sewage cutter pump for this kind of applications. Let's see now about the unboxing of our STP pump. Before installation, read this manual clearly. This is the float. The float will be provided only for single phase up to 2 HP. You need to use SS handle to lift the pump. Anytime you are handling this pump, you need to lift by using this handle only. Note the serial number. Do not fill any water or any liquid in this place. And the warranty, the caution note has to be read before installations. Do not lift pump by using this float or the cable. You need to keep the rope on the SS handle. Don't tie any float switch or cable on the rope. It will damage the cable in this place. Pump should be mounted in vertically. Do not install pump horizontal or any inclined position. This product is dry whiting, so no need to fill any liquid or coolant inside the pump. Extension cable should connect only at the end of the provided cable, and maximum only one joint is allowed. Check provided cable size which is printed on the cable. Now provided cable size is 3 core 1.5 square mm. Now you need to select same type of cable for extension. You need to use same 1.5 square mm cable. Follow the proper submersible cable joining process for safe connections. Do not use only insulation tape for these connections. You need to follow same as submersible. You need to think this is kind of submersible pump. And based on that only you need to connect extension cable. Never plug the pump directly into a 3-pin socket. Always use starter or panel based on recommendations. Select a starter based on the current rating mentioned on the nameplate. Remove flange gasket cover before fitting connector. Check delivery pipe size provided on the nameplate. Same size of connections should be used. Use Teflon tape or any anabond. Now this is ready for installations. Now we'll see about pump dismantling for replacing spare as well as the service purpose. Before visiting a site for installation or service, ensure you have all these tools: clamp meter, mugger, Allen key set, MRF tape insulations, nylon hammer, screw drive, bearing puller, or any other necessary tools. First, understand the issue. Verify the complaint details reported by the customer. Check whether the product in warranty period or exceeds the warranty based on the purchase invoice or warranty card. Note serial number for further reference. Check the power supply to ensure pump is receiving the correct voltage. 220 voltage for single phase at 415 voltage for 3 phase. First primary check is check the mugger whether the winding is in good condition or not. Remove nylon rope and keep pump in safe place to open. By using Allen key set, you can remove all these Allen bolt. First you remove casing and check any blockages in the casing or in the impeller. Due to blockage in impeller or casing, pump will not going to deliver any fluid. Inspect the impeller. If worn out, replace it. Remove impeller by using socket or spanner. Always use nylon hammer only. Now we'll see how we can replace oil seal or mechanical seal. This is sandfighter bush. Remove drain plug and Allen bolt. In this oil chamber, replace old transformer oil to new transformer oil. This is the oil chamber. After removing top cover, you can able to see the mechanical seal. On the top cover itself, oil seal is fitted. Just remove transformer oil and throw it out. Replace with new one. Remove mechanical seal. This seal is not like standard type. It has to mount both the side. One side is black ceramic, another side is graphite seal. So now you need to fit black ceramic with white ceramic seal face and grey carbide seal face to grey seal ring inside it is mounted. This has to follow correctly, otherwise the leakage may come. We learned about how to replace mechanical seal, oil seal and impeller. Now we'll see how we can replace capacitor and bearings. Check any damages in the cable, float cable as well as the connections cable, power cable. Do not fill or do not remove any time in this plug. And remove top cover now and we'll see how we can replace the capacitor. Again I am telling use nylon hammer only. Here it is mounted capacitor inside of the top cover. Cut extension cable and replace with new capacitor. You can use this clamp for mounting. Remove top bearing cover using lengthy bolt. Okay, whenever you are just tightening the bolt, the wound stator will come out. No need to hammer. Clean wound stator. Now we can see here rotor with shaft. We have provided two bearing here. These are the parts which is used in this pump. And check bearing noise or damage. Change bearing if required. Let's do the assembly. Again, what are the parts we removed? We'll do assembly. Just first fit the rotor with shaft on the adapter side. We have provided preloading washer on the top side. You must have to fit by using grease. And mount rotor with shaft. Use bearing bush for fixing. Do not hammer directly on the bearing. Fix the wound starter on the adapter. Before fixing, you should use L gasket as well as the O-ring. Using bearing bush, you can insert top cover. Place capacitor inside the clamp. You must to replace with the new O-ring as well as the L gasket. In mechanical seal fixing, you must to follow the combinations, the black and grey combination as discussed. Refill new transformer oil. Fix all Allen bolt and the drain plug. Sand fighter, impeller key, and now fix impeller, washer and nylon bolt. Check free rotation. Place a O-ring and you can mount with volute casing. Warranty guidelines. The warranty will not be applicable if the pump is used for the wrong application, such as handling solid rocks, chemicals, ceramic powder paste, mud or cloth. Pump is installed incorrect mounting, not usage of float switch or improper float installation. Incorrect extension cable size is used. The pump running without water in the sump or tank. Water or any coolant filled inside the motor.